Listening, Unit 3, page 18, B.
You will hear some information about water. For each question, fill in the missing information in the numbered space. Water is everywhere. Water covers 70% of the world's surface and fills 60% of the human body. This is why it is more important than food for our short-term survival. The United Nations say we need 5 litres of water a day to survive, and another 50 litres for cooking, washing and keeping clean. However, only 3% of the planet's water is fresh, and most of this is frozen in the Antarctic and Greenland. Even so, there is still enough water for the 6.5 billion people who live on Earth. Global warming is having some strange effects on our climate and is causing an increase in the number of hurricanes, for example. This and rising sea levels is damaging some cities and countries. What's more, rain is falling in the wrong places with serious consequences. Australia now has several areas where there is no rain, and in parts of Africa, streams and huge lakes are now dry. Unfortunately, it is the poorest people in the world who suffer the most. 1 billion people in the world are hungry because there is not enough water to grow food. Fortunately, there are people who believe that access to clean water is a basic human right. The other day, a friend gave me a bracelet. The bracelet was from a Polish organisation which is trying to improve people's lives, called I Collect Water. The organisation has existed since 2004 to raise money to get more water in Africa, and in particular in Sudan. I Collect Water organises educational days for students, provides teachers with educational materials, sells Water for Africa bracelets and t-shirts, and collects money from people and businesses. So far, the charity has provided 22,500 people with access to fresh water. Before, the idea of this valuable liquid being easily available to people was just a dream. But the campaign, I Collect Water, has given many people access to clean water for the first time.